SheaMoisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Sulfate-Free Conditioner is a lightweight hair care product that helps to restore and smooth dry hair cuticles without weighing your hair down. This moisturizing shine conditioner for dry, curly hair ensures you have no more knots, snarls or tangles, just soft, shining, easy-to-style hair wash after wash. Moisturizing conditioner instantly softens and detangles dry, frizzy hair while infusing your curls and coils with intense moisture. Great for natural hair. This hair conditioner, blended with Fair Trade Shea Butter, helps to provide nourishing hydration for beautiful, healthy-looking curls. All SheaMoisture hair products including this conditioner are sustainably produced and cruelty-free. Soften and detangle frizzy hair. This moisturizing conditioner instantly infuses your curls and coils with intense moisture and shine-enhancing nutrients. Together, we give back. With every purchase, you support our mission to reinvest back in our communities. Tried, true and cruelty-free. Tested on friends and family for generations, never on animals. Because of her. SheaMoisture is the legacy of Sophie Tucker. We honor her vision by continuing to formulate with raw shea butter handcrafted by women in Africa. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. Difficult to please, teenage daughters love it.